Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a rider quickly and easily on FoodPanda. Having an issue with a FoodPanda rider, whether it's a late delivery, unresponsible behavior or a missing order, I will show you how to report a rider quickly and easy using the FoodPanda app in 2026. First, unlock your phone and open the FoodPanda app. Tap on profile or order at the bottom of your screen. Find the order where you have the issue and tap on it to open the order details. Inside the order details, look for help and support or need help. Tap on it. FoodPanda only allows rider reports through an active or recent order, so this step is important. You will see a list of issues. Select the options related to the rider, such as rider was rude or unprofessional, order delivered late, order not delivered, rider did not follow the instruction. Tap the option that best matches your problem. In the message box, briefly explain what happened. Be clear and polite. For example, the rider arrived very late and did not follow delivery instruction. You may also be able to upload screenshot or photo if needed. Tap send or submit. FoodPanda support team will review your report and may apologize for the issue, offer a refund or a voucher, take action on the rider if needed. You will usually get a response within a short time through in-app chat or email. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.